If you're a man over 50, chances are you've started noticing those pesky age spots or liver spots popping up on your skin. These darkened blemishes can be frustrating, making you look and feel older than you are. But don't worry, there's a natural way to reduce their appearance and restore a more youthful glow to your skin. Welcome back to another Vitality Plus video, and today we're going to be giving you natural remedies to reduce aging spots. The culprit behind these age spots is a pigment called melanin. Melanin is what gives your skin, hair, and eyes their color, and it also acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting your skin from harmful UV radiation. When your skin is exposed to too much sun, it ramps up melanin production to try to shield itself. As we get older, our skin becomes less efficient at regulating melanin levels. This can lead to an overproduction in certain areas, causing those unsightly brown spots. But melanin isn't the only factor at play. Other things like stress, hormones, and certain medications can also trigger increased pigmentation. The traditional treatments for age spots, like chemical peels, bleaching creams, and laser therapies, can be harsh on the skin and come with unwanted side effects. Luckily, there's a gentler, more natural solution that targets the root cause. The key is to address the imbalance in your body that's causing the melanin overproduction in the first place. Two trace minerals in particular, zinc and selenium, can make a big difference. Zinc is essential for hundreds of enzymatic reactions in the body, and it's considered a powerful antioxidant. It has the ability to naturally regulate melanin levels and protect your skin from oxidative stress, a major contributor to age spots. When you combine zinc with selenium, you get an even more potent 1-2 punch. Selenium is a crucial nutrient for producing glutathione, one of the body's most powerful antioxidants. Together, zinc and selenium can significantly reduce excess melanin production while also shielding your skin cells from the damage that leads to discoloration. Many Americans, including older adults, are deficient in both zinc and selenium. This mineral imbalance could very well be the underlying reason you're struggling with age spots. By supplementing with the right amounts of these nutrients, you can start to restore that even youthful glow. In addition to taking zinc and selenium supplements, you'll want to make sure you're getting enough vitamin D. Vitamin D works synergistically with these trace minerals to protect your skin. The catch-22 is that while sun exposure helps your body produce vitamin D, it also triggers more melanin production and age spots. The key is to find the right balance. Get enough sun to maintain healthy vitamin D levels, but not so much that you're causing further damage. Aside from supplements, there are some other natural ingredients that can help fade the appearance of age spots. Vitamin C, grapeseed extract, and licorice extract have all shown promise in clinical studies. Look for skincare products that contain these potent antioxidants. The good news is that age spots, while unsightly, are generally harmless. They don't indicate any underlying health issues, and they won't turn into skin cancer. But that doesn't mean you have to just live with them. By addressing the root causes with the right nutrients, you can take back control of your skin's appearance. If you're a man over 50 struggling with age spots, I encourage you to give this natural approach a try. Start by getting your zinc and selenium levels checked. You may need to supplement to bring them up to optimal levels. Pair that with some vitamin D-friendly sun exposure and antioxidant-rich skincare, and you'll be on your way to smoother, more even-toned skin. Don't let those pesky age spots make you feel self-conscious or older than your years. With the right nutrients and lifestyle adjustments, you can restore that youthful glow and confidence. Your skin deserves to look as vibrant as you feel on the inside. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to Vitality Plus for more health-related videos. Thanks for watching.